Hi everyone. In daily life, toxic people can appear anywhere, at work, among friends, sometimes even within family. But smart people do not allow someone's bad behavior to turn them into someone they are not. They continue to be kind but firm, gentle but strong. They do not change their good nature just because someone else chooses negativity. They know that maintaining their character is more important than winning an argument. Smart people also realize that sometimes the best response is distance. My name is Muniba Mazari, and I am a motivational speaker. If you like this content, then you can appreciate me by like, subscribe, and comments. Now, move on to topic. In life, you will not always meet kind hearts and pure souls. You will encounter people who bring negativity, who try to drain your energy, who question your worth, and sometimes even make you doubt yourself. But smart people know something very important. Not every battle is worth fighting. When a toxic person tries to pull you into their storm, a smart person doesn't fight back with anger. They don't shout louder. They don't try to prove anything. They simply stay calm, stay quiet, and protect their peace. It is easy to react. It is natural to want to defend yourself. It is human to want to scream back when someone throws harsh words at you. But real strength is not in loudness. Real strength is in silence. Real strength is in controlling your reaction. Imagine standing in a room full of noise, and instead of adding to the chaos, you simply walk out, closing the door behind you. That is power. That is wisdom. And that is what smart people do when they face toxic behavior. Responding with silence doesn't mean you are weak. It doesn't mean you accept the disrespect. It means you value your peace more than temporary satisfaction. It means you understand that toxic people thrive on your reaction. They want your anger because your anger feeds their own emptiness. But when you refuse to give them what they want, you take away their power. When you stay calm, you show them and yourself that you are bigger than the storm they are trying to create. Sometimes the best response is no response. Not because you are afraid to speak, but because you have nothing to prove. You know your worth. You know your truth. You know who you are, and no toxic word can change that. Smart people realize that arguing with a toxic person is like trying to clean dirt with more dirt. It only makes the mess bigger. So instead, they choose the higher road. They stay quiet. They walk away. They protect their heart. Think about the river. The river does not stop flowing because of a few rocks in its way. It simply flows around them, continuing on its journey. Smart people are like that river. They don't let small minds stop their big dreams. They don't let bitter hearts poison their own. They stay focused. They stay kind. And most importantly, they stay true to themselves. There will be times when silence feels heavy, when you will want to shout, to cry, to explain. But remember, silence is not emptiness. It is full of strength. It is full of wisdom. It says everything words could never say. Your silence will protect your dignity. Your silence will protect your dreams. Your silence will save your soul from drowning in someone else's negativity. You are not made to fight every battle. You are made for bigger things. Your energy is too precious to waste on people who cannot see your light. Smart people know that true revenge is success. True revenge is inner peace. True revenge is a life so beautiful that toxic people cannot touch it. In the end, people will remember your silence more than they will remember your shouting. They will remember your calmness more than they will remember your anger. Because silence, when used wisely, speaks the loudest truth. It shows that you are in control, not of them, but of yourself. And there is no power greater than mastering your own reaction. One of the greatest lessons smart people learn early in life is to set boundaries. Not walls, not cages, but healthy, strong boundaries. Because not everyone deserves a seat at your table. Not everyone deserves access to your mind, your energy, your heart. Boundaries are not about shutting people out. Boundaries are about protecting the beautiful garden inside you from being destroyed by those who don't know how